last Saturday, my wife and I got down to Uravan, and we went out exploring on the Y11 or River Road. And this is the last stop of that trip. We made 4 stops along the way, but on our way in, we noticed what appeared to be, and we've been told, is one of the first settlements in the area, or when the initial villages, when miners first moved in, was constructed. There is a remnants of a stone structured building there with an entryway that were classic for the cabins and the dugouts that were used at the turn of the 19th and 20th century for housing at the time. So housing standards were not either to the building standards they are today, and frankly, people would be a little surprised at what people would live in back in the day. We flew over the house, and then we started to interact a little bit more with the event that was going on with the bicyclists. I take a peek up above and took an opportunity to photograph some motorcyclists as well. But generally, this was just a visit of the area as close to Uravan as I could get without being in an no-fly zone because of the Department of Energy. I hope you enjoy the flight. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon. Peace.